didn't see you there. How are you, man? So, yeah, this is my 350Z, and now that you're on the channel, I want to... Alright boys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Elson. This is my 2005 350Z. It's basically just a very simple drift car, nothing much done to it. Besides just a very stout angle kit up front and coilovers, and that's basically it. But today we're going to be doing something aesthetics, and a lot of guys with my year or older 350Z want to do to their cars with these kind of headlights, which is upgrade to some HR headlights. So these headlights come in 2006 and plus 350Z. Mine's a 05, so if I would have just gotten 1 year newer Z, I would have gotten these, but I didn't know like there was differences at the time when I bought my car. But anyways, it's been a while since I posted a video, so I've just been really busy with work and everything. I've been working like 10-hour days, and I just don't have time to make any more videos. But I'll do my best. We'll see how this video goes. So yeah, anyways, I got these headlights for an amazing deal by my buddy Alex. If you want to buy parts for your car, definitely hit him up on Instagram. I'm not going to tell you guys how much I got this for, but all I'm going to say is I got both headlights for way less than the price of one headlight, and these headlights tend to be stupid expensive. So I got really lucky. He really hooked me up, and yeah, we're just going to jump right into it. It's a fairly simple install. Apparently I've read online that it's just direct plug and play. So we'll see just how easy it is. But in my specific case, I do not have these ones didn't come with the ballast or the bulb, so I'm going to have to be swapping everything over from these headlights onto this, which I think should be fine. It should work fine, and we'll see how it looks, and let's go. Alright guys, so because this is a drift car, the bumper on this is super easy to pull off. Literally, there you go. I'm just kidding, the bumper is usually cable tied on. I don't bolt it down because it got hit one time at a drift event, and that's the reason why I'm changing these headlights also, is because all the mounting tabs, or I think like 2 or 3 of the mounting tabs are broken on the headlights. Not gonna lie, I already had these unhooked because I was testing the new headlights on. Okay, so I have the headlight out. Now we're gonna transfer everything over. There's a little side-by-side comparison of the two. And so what I'm about to do, you might not have to do, because like I said, the headlights that I got did not have the ballast and the bulb in it. So I gotta transfer all that over from my old headlight. And we'll see how that goes. Okay, so we're done with this headlight basically now, so I'm not going to throw it away, not going to sell it. I'm going to do some custom work to it. I'm going to fit an LED light bar in here. I'm going to do some experimenting now that I have another set of headlights, and we'll see how this goes. Oh, also I forgot, I have my special color changing headlight bulbs in here. So these are supposed to be the daytime running lights, but mine are color changing, so I'm going to pop these off. They're remote controlled. Alright guys, so it is now about like maybe 2 weeks after that clip you just seen. So bear with me. I know the lighting's kind of horrible, but like I said, I've been really busy with work and everything. I just got home from work, still in my work clothes and everything. But I got the headlights done. I just wanted to make an outro because while I was editing, I realized that I did not have a proper outro, even though this is a very crappy one. But I still wanted to show you guys how everything looks at night with the headlights on. So here we go. So there they are. I I think I'm running 6K main headlight, and then just a basic orange turn signal slash whatever those lights are. Anyways, yeah, that's how they look at night. Sorry, they're kind of bright, but they look really good. So definitely worth it for the price I paid for these. If you have a 350Z with DE headlights, definitely a good upgrade to make your car look a lot better. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, sorry for this crappy outro, and more to come, hopefully. We'll see.